Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make the green tea in Heartopia. So you're just going to talk to Massimo here and then go to the cooking store and purchase the recipe first. You will need to be level 12 of the cooking hobby. So let's learn this recipe and let's go back to the house to cook it. For the ingredients, you will need 2 tea leaves and 2 milk cartons. And basically, to get the tea leaves, I think you need to be level 11 or 10 of the gardening hobby. I don't remember because I've completed my hobby. So let's start cooking this green tea. See how many clicks we have to cook it. So 1, and then 2. I feel like it's going to be 7. I've heard it's 7, but I don't know. 3. Oh dear. It's going to be a difficult recipe. 4. And 5. Yep, this is going to be 7, definitely. 6. 7? Okay, yeah, it's 7 clicks to cook this. This is what it looks like, green tea, and we got it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!